Hey, what's up guys? Jamie here. Thanks for joining me in today's video. Talking about the power of testing things out in your affiliate business. I think this is something that not many people really do all that effectively in affiliate marketing. And in my opinion, in my experience, it is one of the more vital things to work out whether your hypotheses are going to be correct or not. You got to test it out, right? Anyway, before I get into that, welcome to the channel. If this is the first time here, my name is Jamie. I cover internet marketing, affiliate marketing, how to get started online. I specialize in the conversion of high-ticket affiliate marketing products. If any of that's of interest to yourself, feel free to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to smash that bell icon to stay up to date with everything I'm putting out. All right. Why is it important to test, and how do you go about doing this? Now, it doesn't matter what you're doing. If you're running ads, if you're trying to get better open rates out of your emails, if you are testing a landing page, or you're just on the old social media and you're working out a sales angle or how to stack your offers, all that sort of stuff. There's two things that really come to mind, and the reason why I say that it's so important to test this stuff out is because you might have a hypothesis about how something is going to perform. And so instead of going and spending all your time working on the pages and the things and the blah, 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 and the offer and recording the videos and re-recording the videos, it's far more efficient to actually test whether the market wants that. And you're going to find out really, really quickly, especially if you're running paid traffic to an offer, for example, you're going to work out whether or not it is actually going to stick. And if you're doing the organic route, then again, you can test things out. Throw an angle, a different angle that you've never tried before. Try a little bit of copywriting that you've never done before. Put a different image, whether it's a selfie or you want to try a stock image, who knows? Just because I guess modern doctrines say, oh, you shouldn't use this type of marketing or you shouldn't do that or whatever, try it out. See how your audience reacts to it. So I think the quicker that you can get out there and test things out, test angles, test all that sort of stuff out, the quicker you're going to establish whether or not there's any viability behind your idea. And if you find that there is a sense of viability, then you can expand on that. You can keep doing it. You can adjust that. You've figured something out that it's actually kind of working. And then once you've done that, then you can expand upon that and so on and so on and so on. And that's how the snowball grows. Kind of cool stuff, right? So anyway, my massive advice to anyone watching this is go out there, test some stuff out. Don't just kind of assume that you know what the conclusion is going to be, and especially if you're in a situation where you're making the assumption that because something's happened a certain way before, that maybe it's going to happen the same way again, because you don't know. Test it out, find out. Maybe the market's going to react differently. Maybe there's a different tweak you can make to that. So hopefully you got some value out of this. Smash that heart button, like button if you got any value. Drop a comment, let me know your thoughts. And if you're interested in ramping up your affiliate marketing business, check out the ridiculous offer that I have below. My name's Jamie. I appreciate you guys tuning in. See you in the next one. Cheers.